Good morning, Room Service Department. I'm Yvonne Vergara. May I help you?
Yes, Yvonne Vergara. I want to order Filipino breakfast.
Okay, but before I take your orders, may I know your name and your room number, please?
My name is Yan Lema and room 305.
Okay, your name is Yalema and your room number is 305. Did I get it right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, may I take now your orders?
Give me 2 fried rice, eggplant omelette, chicken adobo, banana cube. And for my drinks, give me orange juice and water.
Okay, sir, may I repeat your orders?
Sure.
You ordered 2 fried rice, eggplant omelette, chicken adobo, banana cue, and for your drink, orange juice and water. Did I get it right, sir?
Yes. May I know my total bill?
By the way, sir, your total bill is 2,900. How would you like to settle your payment, sir? Is it in cash, credit card, or charge it to your account?
I preferred in cash.
May I know your cash so that I can prepare your change later?
Exactly 2,900.
Okay, sir, what time would you like me to deliver your request?
Exactly 10 a.m.
Okay, sir, thank you so much for calling Group Service Department. Your order will be delivered exactly 10 a.m. Good morning, room service for Yalema. May I come in?
Sure.
Where would you like me to put your order, sir?
Just leave it in the tray.
Here is your 2 fried rice, eggplant omelette, chicken adobo, and banana cube. And for your drink, orange juice and water. Okay, sir, would you like me to open the curtains for you to brighten up your room and for you to have a nice view while having your meal?
Sure.
Okay, sir, may I present to you your bill?
Sure.
Okay, sir, I received 2,900 pesos. Is there anything else that I can do for you, sir?
None.
Okay, sir, what time would you like us to collect the soil dishes?
Perhaps 11 a.m.
Okay, sir, the soil dishes will be collected at exactly 11 a.m. If you have any concerns, do not hesitate to call us. Thank you and enjoy your meal.